Hey everyone, welcome back. Is a Flex app crashing the second you tap it or just refusing to open at all? Here's the fix from your iPhone settings and App Store. First, swipe up and force close the Flex app completely from your recent apps. Flex's own Help Center lists force closing as the first official troubleshooting step for app crashes and loading errors. After force closing, go to your Settings app, then go to General, then scroll down to iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down to the list of apps, find the Flex app, and tap on it. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it and tap Offload app. After offloading it, go to the App Store and reinstall it. This clears the app's local cache without deleting your account's data, which is stored on Flex servers rather than on your device. After reinstalling, go to your Settings app, then go to General and go to Software Update. Install any pending iOS update. Since Flex has updated its app multiple times in 2026 for compatibility with newer iOS versions, if it still crashes, go to your settings, scroll down to the list of apps until you find the Flex app. Once you find it, tap on it and make sure cellular data and background app refresh are turned on. So, all you gotta do is force close the app, upload it and reinstall from App Store, update iOS and confirm your connection settings. Flex opens properly and that's it. Subscribe for more Flex fixes.